What's up everyone, my name is Rishabh Gupta. Today I'm going to teach you a new dance step. It is called Grapevine step. So many people voted in its favor. It is quite easy to learn. Let me show you how it looks like.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt.
If you get down the basics, and I'm going to break it down for you into simple steps so that you can learn it really fast. So let's begin. Now guys, first of all, I'm going to explain jump rope dance step without the jump rope. So let me show you how it looks like. Let's stand shoulder width apart, and now I'll place my right foot backward like this, and I'll come back to the position where I started from. I'll try it on the other side as well, placing my left foot like this, and then back to the position.
I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always...
Now, you might have noticed that while placing my right foot like this, my left foot is still on the ground, and that doesn't work with the jump rope dance step. You have to have both of your feet in the air for a moment so that the jump rope can pass. So we'll modify this step a little bit. While placing my right foot backward, I'll kick up with my left foot like this. I'll show it again. I'll place my right foot backward and kick up with my left foot. I'll try it on the other side as well. My left foot will go backwards, and my right foot will kick up.
With the hands-on education, so I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated, but that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated, but she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. She got a body like a coke thing, she likes to keep the party going.
After practicing on the both sides, we are going to combine these two and we'll perform Grapevine step without the jump rope. Let me show you how it looks like.
I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coke fan. She likes to keep the party going. Baby, show me.
Now finally we are going to practice it with the jump rope, but we'll try to practice it on the one side and then on the other side, and after that we'll combine it. So now I got my jump rope, and I'm going to start with the basic jumps and then place my right foot backward and try to perform it on one side. Let me show you how it looks. We'll start with the basic jumps.
In a sundress, I heard you look good when you're undressed. I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard your...
So after practicing on one side, we'll try it on the other side as well. This time my left foot will go on the backward direction.
Girlfriends, 'cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they They say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a
Now
blessing.
finally we'll combine both of these steps and try to perform grapevine step. Okay, well, let's start with the basic jumps.
And they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intentions. She got a body like a coffin. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coffin. She likes
And
to
that's how we perform grapevine step.
baby, show me.